The scariest means of transmission of Ebola is that it can be transmitted by mosquitoes, ticks, rodents such as rats and mice, as well as bats. When wild rodents become infected with Ebola, the transmission from ticks will increase dramatically, just as it has with Lyme disease. It's a arrivederci. It'll be in the food chain as well.
Mystery illnesses such as enterovirus 68 are rapidly emerging in towns and military bases housing undocumented immigrants. The CDC has outbreak specialists in places who are currently attempting to identify whether the causative agent is bacterial or viral. These illnesses are now appearing in communities near where the government is housing scores of illegal immigrants in detention centers. Sending your children to schools where illegal, undocumented immigrants are now being schooled can expose your children to scores of infectious agents. What can you do? Good hand washing, covering your cough, and not sending your child to schools can help prevent infection. In other words, homeschooling is a preventive option as there's no antiviral medicine for enterovirus 68 and no vaccine. Subsequently, avoiding exposure and washing hands is your children's only defense. Clearly, Obama is by overloading the government with financial demands and healthcare problems that cannot be met. This will collapse our society by creating chaos. Involve your family in activities that do not involve contact with those who may be infected. Outdoor activities such as gardening and landscape projects can be an alternative to contact sports, which easily transmit diseases. Building walls and evergreen screens will help families obtain more privacy and thus have less contact with neighbors. This will help reduce exposures by shielding contact family members. Great tree suggestions for fast-growing screening include arborvitae, cypresses, pines, and spruce trees. The fastest and hardiest tree for northeast landscapes is the green giant arborvitae. Highland Hill Farm is a leading grower of green giants. Call for Green Giants Highland at 215-651-8329.